So here we go. I'm going to get you guys set for the second problem uh, that's on your homework today. And we're going to find the actual expansion of some aluminum. That's aluminum right there. That's the coefficient of expansion for aluminum. When it's heated up an extra 340 degrees, all right? And we're going to start, we're going to say a piece of aluminum is 2.4 meters long and it's heated up 340 degrees. How long is it after it's been heated? And we're going to take this idea for finding the coefficient and just find out what our change in length is. Now, it's going to say what is the length, and we're going to take that change in length and we're going to add it to that original length. Okay, it's not going to be that drastic, but we're going to look for change in length. So we're going to solve this for delta L, and all that is delta L equals alpha times the original length times the change in temperature. So you just multiply all this out, right? Well, that makes perfect sense. You know, you have your original length and you heat it up, and for all of that heating, it expands a little, and that's what that coefficient is there. So this should make perfect sense, and it'll tell us how much of that actually happens. So let me write it out. Alpha is, so our change in length is equal to 25 times, well, we'll say meters, because we're starting with meters, times 10 to the negative sixth, and we'll put it over here, meters over Celsius degrees, and we're going to multiply that by our original length. We don't need the meters here, I forgot. 2.4 meters, there it is. And then change in temperature is 340 degrees. And the best part about this is we can just multiply straight across. And we figured out yesterday, this is 1, 2, that's 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 25 times 2.4 times 340, and that's actually going to give us a number that we can actually see. When we work this whole thing out, when we multiply this whole thing out, it's 0.0204 meters. Wow, if you heat aluminum up 340 degrees, higher than it was when we started, you're actually going to get 2 centimeters of change. That's a lot of change. So when we go to write it, now this is, 2.4 meters. And so we're going to add to the original 2.4 meters. And okay, so who really cares that it's now 2.42 meters? But, given a lot of heat, this metal really does expand, so you can see that it has expanded. That's about it. That's how you do number 4. I showed you how to do number 3 previously. Good luck on your homework today. Don't think of it as a quiz. Just go through it and make sure it gets done. Take care.